Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use invisible ink in iMessage on iPhone and iPad. So guys, if you want to use invisible ink in iMessage on your iPhone or iPad, type your message or add an image, then press and hold the send button, tap the gray dot or select invisible ink from the bubble effects menu and hit the send button again to dispatch the hidden message. So guys, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. First of all, open your messages and then open any chat and write here anything, and then you have to simply press and hold this send button. So I simply press and hold this send button, and from here you can see you can select invisible ink from here. So you can use this feature on your Apple device or iPad. So I simply select it and then wait here for some seconds and then again tap on, and now here you can see this, the invisible message has been sent to this account. So guys, in this way you can also use invisible ink in iMessage on iPhone and iPad. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.